I am really happy with this over-the-door hanging shower caddy by HapiRm. Here you can see all the pieces that are included in the package. You do have to put this together, but it's really easy. It took me only about 10 minutes. I ordered the two-tier basket, and so here you will see how I am putting this together. You don't need any tools to put this together. Everything screws into place. And here is what it looks like. And I do have some leftover pieces. I don't know why, but this works perfectly fine. When you want to install it, you peel off the sticker protectors from those stickers that you installed, hang it over the side of your shower door, and just press everything into place. And then your caddy is ready to go. I am 100% happy with this caddy and I recommend it 100%.